Designing a professional training workshop involves meticulous planning and management. Students will explore project management principles, event planning, budgeting, risk management, and timeline coordination to create a successful workshop. Begin by selecting a relevant training theme, such as leadership skills or financial literacy. Define your target audience, whether they are students, employees, or small business owners, and outline the workshop's purpose and expected outcomes. Craft a detailed agenda that includes session topics, learning objectives, speaker roles, and interactive elements like Q&A sessions. Ensure the agenda flows logically to keep participants engaged throughout the workshop. Identify key resources, including venues or virtual platforms, training materials, and equipment. Organize these in a resource plan table with estimated costs to ensure everything is accounted for and within budget. Promote the workshop through social media posts or flyers. Identify potential risks, such as low attendance or technology failures, and develop contingency plans to address these issues effectively. Define key performance indicators to measure success, such as attendance numbers and participant engagement. Compile findings into a structured report, summarizing the workshop's purpose, agenda, budget, and success metrics for final submission. If you need help, reach out to support to connect with a project manager. We believe in you.